If your iPad won't turn on and you don't know what to do, we got 3 ways for you to try to fix it yourself before going to a repair shop. Hope we can save you some trouble, so let's go. I know you might have already tried to charge it, but sometimes your iPad simply needs a cleaner charging port or a better charger. Make sure there are no foreign objects or moisture in the charging port. Sometimes a damaged charging cable can cause unstable charging or even damage your iPad's charging port. Just use the original cable to charge it. Let it charge for at least 15 minutes. You can also try out a wireless charger or try a different power source if that is an option to you. Normally your iPad will turn on after 15 minutes. If your iPad is still stuck on the charging screen, it may be a system frozen or an error. Let's start with a force restart. It's simple and safe to try without losing any data. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, like this. Until you see the Apple logo. Then charge your iPad to see if this helps. If your iPad is still unresponsive, this may be a system error. You can try to fix this with a system tool. Method 3. Fix iPad stuck on the charging screen with ReiBoot. ReiBoot is an all-in-one repair software that can resolve over 150 iOS stuck issues. You can download ReiBoot from the link below on your computer. Then connect your iPad with an official cable and click the green Start button in the System Repair area. Choose System Repair to fix your device without data loss. Usually, it can automatically detect your iPad, but if your iPad was shut down or have issue with the charging port, ReiBoot might guide you to put your iPad in recovery mode. It's simple, just like a force restart, but press the power button longer. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then long press the power button until your device enters the support interface. Once you reach the download page, download the matching firmware to repair your iPad error-free. The download speed depends on your internet speed. When it's done, click System Repair to let it scan and fix the system. Although it's a paid version, it's the most cost-effective way to try to fix your iPad's not charging issue, because when you go to the repair store, that may cost you more. When the system repair is done, your iPad will return to normal without data loss. If all these methods were not helping, then it might be a hardware issue. Reach out to Apple support and get it repaired if needed. Or leave a comment with any question, whether it related or not. We are always here to help. See you next time.